Welcome to JH. Utilizing Revolut during international trips can streamline your experience and help you avoid high exchange fees. First, ensure your Revolut card is fully activated and that you have added funds to your account in your primary currency through the app. Before you head out, you can convert your money into different currencies at interbank rates. Simply open the Exchange tab, choose the currency you need, and confirm the total. Once you are abroad, use your Revolut card for standard payments or ATM cash withdrawals. The system automatically switches your funds to the local currency using the most favorable rates available. You will receive a push notification for every transaction, making it easy to track your expenses in real time. For better protection, you can freeze your card, set specific spending limits, or enable location-based security directly within the app. That is all for today. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.